Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the Keychron M6 wireless mouse, and this thing is packing some serious heat. Keychron is known for its keyboards, but can they deliver a top-tier mouse experience? Let's find out. First impressions, the M6 feels incredibly light at just 78 grams. That's a big deal for those who prefer a nimble mouse for fast-paced games or extended work sessions. The ergonomic design is comfortable in hand, promoting a natural grip that reduces fatigue. Keychron is advertising this mouse as being suitable for any scenario, and it might be right. The M6 boasts a PixArt 3395 sensor, which is pretty much the gold standard for accuracy and responsiveness. We're talking up to 26,000 dpi and 650 IPS, so whether you're pixel perfecting in Photoshop or landing headshots in your favorite game, this mouse can keep up. Connectivity is where the M6 truly shines. It offers 3 different connection modes: 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth 5.1, and wired USB. The 2.4 GHz connection is ultra-low latency, making it ideal for gaming where every millisecond counts. Bluetooth 5.1 provides a stable wireless connection for everyday use, and the wired option ensures you're always connected, even when the battery is low. Speaking of battery, Keychron doesn't specify the exact battery life, but it's safe to say it will last for days of normal use. The M6 features over 10 customizable buttons, allowing you to tailor the mouse to your specific needs. The infinite scroll wheel is another standout feature, making it easy to navigate long documents or web pages. The build quality feels solid, and the buttons have a satisfying click. The Keychron M6 is compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux, making it a versatile option for any user. Overall, the Keychron M6 is a fantastic wireless mouse that offers a blend of performance, comfort, and versatility. If you're looking for a lightweight, feature-packed mouse that can handle anything you throw at it, the M6 is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.